everyone, welcome back to another video. So I went shopping a couple of weeks ago and I wasn't initially going to video this, and I don't know why. Why? I don't know. Well, the reason is I did quite a big shopping haul on Louisa Via Roma, and I don't always necessarily show everything that I buy from there in a video because I buy so much, from basics through to more statement pieces, that every single video would be what I bought from them this week. But when I was looking at some of the things that I bought, I wanted to talk about it because they're from lesser known brands, some of it, and also a lot of it on and off at the moment is included in this 40% off coupon that they keep doing. Like, they launch it for a few hours and then they take it back offline again. That's how I bought everything here. Everything, I think pretty much every single thing I'm going to show you has had 40% off it. And I wanted to show you this as an example. This I bought last June for 40% off. So I'm going to show you my top picks, the things that I quite like. I'm going to try them on. Everything's going to get linked to below. Guys, I always say it, I will say it again. If you want to get the discount codes, you just need to sign up. I'm going to put a link below this video. Click that link, go and sign up, and that's all you do. It doesn't cost you anything, and they will send you coupons from there on in. That's all you need to do. Now for the first outfit. I'm out of breath. Why am I out of breath? I haven't even done anything today. Anyway, first outfit is this. Okay, the outfit in question. First of all, is the necklace. Wow, what do you think? I quite like it. Plus as well, this is easy. There's no mucking about with clasps at the back of it because it's like this. And this came in a really nice box and it's lined and it was kind of in the middle. So if you want a gift for someone or for yourself, or you don't even want a gift, you just want it, then I think that's quite a nice item and I like the look of it. If they had earrings to match, I would have bought them 100%, but I didn't see any. But I've got some other earrings that I'm going to show you. And you can squeeze that, by the way. You squeeze it to fit your neck so it doesn't fall off. The bag, as I say, is from last year. This did go into the sale again this year. If I can find it, I will put it below. This top is like a really old top from H&M, but it's the trousers. Look at these trousers. I should take these labels off. I saw these and I was like, oh my God, I love them. So they're a cropped off trouser. If you happen to have my problem where you're quite long legged and normally cropped trousers look like long shorts on you, the good thing is with these is you can roll them up and down so you can adjust the length of the crop. In terms of the material is actually quite thick on them, but I like it because I thought I can wear these in summer. Because in the UK, summer's never it's never really that hot, but they're also quite forgiving on the leg, but they're nice and fitted round the waist. I think I'm gonna wear this outfit today. Do you know that? With like a denim jacket or maybe a leather jacket. This is what I'm doing anyway, very comfortable. The next item is this. Some of you have already seen it because I wore this in a video a while ago actually. I bought it and I couldn't even resist. This is, well, it has two functions. So I've just changed the top that I'm wearing. How I've been wearing this is with a simple fitted plain top. You could either go 3/4 sleeve or no sleeves like this, and then either black trousers or kind of like tight indigo fitting trousers. And then I wear this over the top. There's one of two ways you can wear it. What's the right way here? Here we go. On the website, the lady is doing this with it. And I will show you. So this is how, on the website, the lady's wearing it like this. It's open, and there are two like ribbony things, and you tie them at the back. And on the front, they have stitched into it. It's kind of like a sweetheart neckline thing going on there. But can you see, you know when you just wear it with like a plain black top underneath? Imagine if these trousers were fitted as well as black. That's personally how I've really liked wearing it. The other way that you can wear it, and this is how I've been doing it really, I've been wearing it as a jacket. So it's got two uses. Don't you just love that? Oh, it's so comfortable. Elasticated sleeves. These are the bow things that you can tie front or back, or just leave it open. Oh my God, I've just realised what this does. Look, it's a drawstring. Oh, how did I not know? I've been wearing this and I didn't know. Okay, let's try it the right way and tie the drawstring. I feel so excited right now because this could potentially change the way this thing looks. Look, it pulls it in. Oh my God, it looks even nicer. How didn't I realise that was, why did I never do that? So you can see there it's a lot more fitted across the bust. You have to get this, it's nice. It's so nice. If they've got any left, I hope so. That's the other thing, like whenever I do these videos, when they do the coupon codes, they launch them and normally it's on any item on the site that doesn't have a star next to it. And then anything that doesn't have a star next to it that's included in the sale, once that item's sold out, they take it off the website. So if you get in there towards the end of a promotion, it can look slim pickings. It looks like, oh my God, this sale's rubbish, there's nothing in it. It's only because everything that was eligible that's sold out gets taken off real time. So you can get there and it looks like the worst sale ever. I'm gonna do one more top and then I've got a suit, a dress and a skirt and so much nice jewellery. You're going to love it. I think you will. Here's the next. Can you see that? Is the contrast on that good enough? Next is this. Let me just try and adjust this slightly. I love this as well. I hadn't tried this on. The leopard print top that I showed you, I tried that on already, but this I had not. This is, it's like a wraparound, you wrap it around twice with these ties. I wouldn't wear it with these trousers. I'd probably wear it with more fitted trousers or jeans. But what do you think? Really nice, quite thick cotton as well. And the neck looks like that. Let me just show you there. Oh, I love it. It's really nice, isn't it? Then the other thing that caught my eye, this particular suit that comprises of a pair of pink trousers, and then with that you can get a jacket and intermix the jacket with the trousers. So for example, this jacket, because the pink on it matches the pink trousers, or you could put it with this one, which is navy blue, and it's got a pinstripe around the edge. Right, I've just put the trousers on. So here are the trousers. And the jacket over the top. These are quite high-waisted. And do they have pockets? No, they don't have any pockets in them. They've got a double button on the top. And then this blazer, the pink here, is like the same shade. That was the first blazer. This is the second one. So this one's navy blue. That previous one was black. This feels like grosgrain ribbon. Can you see that? It's kind of got... This is quite a different look to that last one. But here's the other thing that I was thinking with this blazer and with that other one. If you are into your kind of jeans and a blazer look, like on weekends, or whenever you choose to wear that, I thought with these two, these would be the perfect things that I could do that with. I was on such a leopard print thing when I went and bought this stuff, honestly, you can probably tell. This is the next. I'm gonna put with it some of the items that I've bought in terms of jewelry. So I'm gonna put this bracelet, then I'm going to put these earrings. And by the way, I've cleaned all of this just in case. I would never wear earrings just straight out of the box or whatever. And then with it, I wanted to wear a waist belt. And the only one that I have to hand in here at the moment is this, which is, it's a deal belt, but you could use any. Any black waist belt would look really nice, I think. So that around the middle. This material, so this dress is long. It's got a slit that goes up the side of it, but it's been lined underneath with like a black material. So the nice thing about it is so often whenever I've tried on dresses that have got a slit up the leg, there's been no lining underneath it. So you get caught in the wind and like too much is out on show and it ends up just being quite a stressful experience. Whereas with this, it feels quite, I haven't got to worry about that, but the split just kind of, it takes it from looking, it takes this dress from something that might look frumpy to something that looks cool. You can see how it really looks. So it's button, it kind of wraps here, but it's part of the design that it wraps as such. It doesn't, like, you can't do anything with it. Can you see the way that side comes here and then it's stitched into the seam? It's got a shirt-like thing at the top going on, where this all, you can button this up or down to here. Long sleeves, which again you can button, or you can have them rolled up. I quite like it with the belt around the waist, just to give it more of a defined fit. The thing with this dress is, and another quite nice thing, it feels very comfortable to wear, but it's not skin tight, but it's not baggy, and I really hate maxi dresses that are baggy, because I think unless you're really, really, really super thin, they can add bulk and they can just make you look a bit frumpy. Whereas with this, because it does have more of a fitted thing going on with it, it looks quite, what's the word? Looks quite flattering, and it goes with this as well, doesn't it? What do you think? Yes or no? I like the print of it. I like the design. And then the final two items, I'm not going to put these together because they don't match together at all. These, I couldn't believe the price that I got these for. How many of you are sick to death of the fact that it's very difficult, I feel like now, to find affordable footwear that's leather? If you don't want to go and spend Chanel or Dior money and you want a pair of just quality shoes that are not over £500, it's really difficult. And this was one such item. These are a pair of ankle cowboy boots. They're like complete leather sole, upper and liner. And on the outside, they've got kind of like dark grey studs on them. These are really comfortable, but also because they've got this V that goes down the front, sometimes I feel like when you wear ankle boots that cut you at the ankle, depending on your leg. So sometimes you might notice some people, their ankle goes inwards a lot lower down towards the foot, i.e. their ankle might taper inwards kind of at this point, which means when you wear the boot, it makes them look like they've just got a thick leg all the way down. Whereas some people, their ankle almost starts to taper inwards higher up. So they can wear boots like this and it's like great. What I find with these, because they've got this V on the front, it elongates, it's like an optical illusion. I feel like it gets rid of that thick leg all the way down to the foot vibe that you can sometimes get going on. These are like butter. This leather is like buttery soft on the inside. Is so comfortable. They are so comfortable. But the other item is this. This is from Gani, and it's a skirt that is, I couldn't believe it. I was like, wow, a short skirt that isn't really indecent on me. I would wear short skirts a lot more, only because of my height, everything is so short. If I wear a skirt that is short, I swear to God, I can't even go up escalators in them. I can't even bend over in them. Like Zimmermann dresses, I love them. And last summer, I tried on a few of the short ones. And they've got these shorts, in fact, that are quite high-waisted. My whole bum cheek was hanging out the bottom of the short because of the length, like the ratio length of my leg or whatever. And I find it really frustrating. And I don't always want to have to wear a maxi dress. I want to sometimes be able to wear a shorter dress. Well, I saw this, and in the way that this works, it's slightly shorter on each side and it's longer in the middle, but it's quite heavy material, so you haven't got like the wind catching it and all that jazz to worry about. One thing that I would do with this is I would put a waist belt with it, but I wouldn't put like this Dior waist belt with it. I'd put something that's a lot more plain. I should have said earlier, when I bought this stuff, it was because two of you had actually written to me. One of you wrote to me and you were like, oh my God, they've just released a 25% off coupon. And then about a day later, you wrote back again and you said, forget that, they've just upped it to 40%. So you don't have to be a blogger or anything to get these. I don't understand the logic of who gets them, because, for example, the lady that you very kindly shared the code with me, you'd had one that I hadn't heard of, so I think they pick who get them. The other thing to let you know about, so the coupons only work on items that do not have a star by them. But this whole star thing, okay, now I have bought things before that did not have a star by them when I bought them, and then a couple of days later there's a star been added on. Or when I went and purchased these items, everything was sat in my shopping cart for quite a few days before I actually bit the bullet and did it. And did you know, I had a pair of shoes in that shopping cart from Roger Viver, and they were at the time included in the 40% off. And when I eventually went to check out a few days later, the star had been added on, and the star's still on them to this day. So it's kind of annoying. I think they must do it when they release these coupons and they can see what's selling quickest. Maybe if they want to slow down the sale of certain items, they add that on. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.